Get out of there. And I picked up an inexpensive 12-volt powered fan. The first step is to place the fan face down on the top of the cooler. Then I used a Sharpie to trace around the fan, but on the inside of the outer edge of the fan. Then using a razor, I cut around the outline. Cut a little bit less because you can always cut more. And ended up with a hole in the top of the cooler. Test fit the fan. It should fit snug inside that hole. In my box of plumbing parts, I found two 1 1/4 inch 90-degree elbows. These will serve as our exhaust ports, and I'll mount one on each side of the cooler. Again, tracing around and making an outline, and then cutting that hole smaller than the outline. You'll have a nice snug fit, and you should have to turn it a few times to make sure it fits in nice and tight. Both of our exhaust ports are installed in our cooler chiller. While these are snug, they're loose enough to tilt up or down depending on where you want your cold air flow. Our cold air source is going to be a block of ice, so I found an appropriate container, filled it with water, and put it in the freezer overnight. Now before I added the ice, I took a laser temperature reading and it's in the upper 70s. Okay, the ice is hard now, so it's time to add it to our cooler chiller. Then I covered the top, plugged the fan in, and turned it on. And after a few minutes, I was getting readings in the upper 50s.